Finding min/max values and corresponding times for each parameter_ID using SQL. When analyzing data stored in SQL Server, you often come across situations where you need to find the minimum and maximum values of certain metrics for each parameter, along with the specific times those values occurred. This can be a crucial step in data analysis, providing insights into trends and anomalies for various parameters. Retrieving min/max values with nested queries. To achieve this, you can effectively use SQL nested queries. Nested queries, also known as subqueries, allow you to perform complex filtering and aggregation tasks by embedding one query within another. This capability is invaluable for scenarios like finding min/max values with their corresponding timestamps. Example query. Let's consider you have a table named ParameterData with columns parameter_ID, value, and time. Here's how you can use SQL to get the minimum and maximum values along with their corresponding time for each parameter_ID. Explanation of the query. Subqueries for min/max values. The inner subqueries, select parameter_ID, min, value, and select parameter_ID, max, value, calculate the minimum and maximum values for each parameter_ID from the parameter data table. These subqueries group the data by parameter_ID to ensure that the minimum and maximum are calculated for each unique parameter. Outer query to retrieve corresponding times. The outer query filters the parameter data table based on the parameter_ID and value returned by the subqueries. This ensures that you retrieve the records that match the minimum and maximum value for each parameter_ID, including the exact times these values were recorded. Use of tuple comparison. By using the tuple comparison, parameter_ID, value, in the where clause, the query efficiently checks for tuples of parameter_ID and value pairs that correspond to the min/max values determined by the subqueries. Considerations. Performance. Depending on the size of your dataset, the mentioned query might need optimization. Indexing the parameter_ID and value columns can improve performance by speeding up the searches within the database. Handling ties. In cases where multiple entries have the same minimum or maximum value, this query will return all such entries. Additional logic may be necessary if you only want to retrieve a single instance of each min/max value timestamp pair. With nested queries like these, you can gain a deeper understanding of your data, enabling better decision-making and more advanced data analysis.